Hey guys, it's Full Flobes here, back with another video. This is going to be tutorial on how to buy Harmony 1 token. Okay, so for this tutorial we are going to use Binance. Okay, and like you can see here, Binance has USD and BTC pairings for Harmony. So what we are going to do in this tutorial, we are going to first buy Bitcoin and then trade that Bitcoin into one Harmony token. And it has pumped quite a lot now. But anyway, let's go. So the first step to buying Harmony 1 is to sign up on Binance. And if you already haven't signed up on Binance, you can find the link in description and sign up under that. And thank you so much. So after you have signed up, this is the first page that you will see. By the way, I've been using Binance for over 3 years now, and I absolutely love it. I just absolutely love it. Okay, so I recommend you to sign up. But this is the first page. And the most important page in Binance is your wallet. So when you go to wallet and find a spot, you can see your wallet. And every time you sell cryptocurrencies, buy cryptocurrencies, trade cryptocurrencies, whatever, all the tokens will show up right here, right? So what we are going to do now is we are going to buy Bitcoin and then trade that Bitcoin into one. And here's how you do it. You go to buy crypto. Then you have 5 options that you can pay with. Third-party payment by Simplex. I've been using that a lot. Also cash balance I haven't used. P2P I haven't used. Credit card, debit card I have used a lot. And bank deposit I have also used it. But out of these 5, I think that the credit debit card is the simplest one. So let's click that. Also the Simplex is very easy. Very easy. So all you have to do here, it's already set on Bitcoin. So you just follow the guide here. So how to buy it with bank card, and you put how much you want to buy. Okay, and after that you click buy BTC, and after that you will be taken to 1, 2, and 3. So complete payment, and that's it. It takes like 1 minute to do, and then the Bitcoin you just bought will show up right here in your wallet. Now how to actually buy one with that Bitcoin, so Harmony. Now the Bitcoin will show up right here. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to go to trade and click classic and go to search and type in 1. Okay, and now we click 1/BTC. Now this is Bitcoin pairing for 1, meaning that you can trade Bitcoin into 1. So let's click that, and after that you will see sell orders and buy orders here. So these are red ones are sell orders, so people sell 1 for BTC, and these green things are buy orders. People are buying 1 using BTC, and we are currently buying 1 using BTC. Okay, so that being said, what we want to watch is this. This is the lowest price that somebody is currently willing to sell 1 token. Okay, and you can see that there. And by the way, this 5x means I think I have never used it, so I think that you can use margin trading, but I have never margin trade, and I never will do that. But I think that the 5 means that. Okay, someone in one video asked me what it means, and it's not that. Like you can see, you can put it here, but I have never even tried it. I have no idea what it is. But now I'm going to show you how to buy 1 token. Okay, so you have limit and market buys here. So limit means that, for example, here this is a limit order. So someone thinks that it's going to go down some, and after it goes to that price, this will automatically buy it. So you will put your sell buy order there. Okay, but the problem with that is that if the price doesn't drop, then your buying order won't go through. Okay, so that's why I just normally just market buys, which means that I just buy it. You know, I'm not waiting for it, I just buy it. You get it instantly. So that's what I'm doing, and it will automatically basically just take the lowest price here. And what you want to do is go to market, and then here you can select how much you want to buy. So for example, if you put 100% Bitcoin, that means that you are selling all of the Bitcoins you just bought with your credit card and trading that into 1. Okay, but here you can also go like if you don't want to sell all of your Bitcoin, you can go like 29%, and it will trade 29% of your Bitcoins into 1. Okay, so just select buy one, and then trade will go through, and then your one tokens will show up in your wallet. Okay, so now you might ask, well, how do you sell one tokens? Okay, so now I'm going to show you that. So the one token will show up right here in your wallet. In the wallet you can withdraw it, so for example into offline wallet or other exchange, whatever. And yeah, so the one tokens will show up right here. Now to sell those tokens, we do the same thing, but we do it in inverse. So what you do is go to trade, go to classic, click the search and type in one again. And here you can sell one token. Let's say that you want to sell one token for BNB. You click that, then you scroll down here, go again market, and here sell. So let's say that you want to sell all of your one tokens. You just drag it to 100% and then click sell, and then it will sell your one tokens in the BNB. Then you will have BNB. Then you can come here over and keep trading. You can then buy ZAR, for example. You can come here and then go market and then buy. And now you can buy any cryptocurrency with this strategy. Okay, if you have any problems with this or any questions, just comment down below. I will answer you. And basically that's it. That's how you can buy Harmony One on Binance. But to close out this video, I highly recommend you to subscribe, because you definitely don't want to miss on future videos. I will create all kinds of tutorials and fun videos, knowledge videos, so definitely check that out. And also you can check out my portfolio for White Rock Crypto in the description, and you can see the portfolio there. And then to sign up on Binance, you can find a link in description. Sign up using that. I highly also recommend you, now as the bull run is like 50% done, I think. Okay, what happened in 2017 bull run is that all of the exchanges were full, suddenly full, between the bull run. Okay, when the bull run wasn't over, the exchanges were full. They couldn't take any more customers, and what that happened, a lot of people missed out because they couldn't sign up to exchange to buy cryptocurrencies. Okay, so I think that that's very possible too, because the rally, I believe, is going to be very, very insane. And if you sign up on Bitrue, Binance, and KuCoin using my links below, then you will have access to almost all of the coins, all of the major coins at least. You will have access to thousands of different coins with those 3 exchanges. And then when the bull run hits like 100% and you want to buy something, you have the option, because you are already on the exchanges. They are not, you secured your spot there. So definitely do that also. I recommend, because I made the mistake in 2017, and that's one mistake that I wish that nobody will have to suffer, because I already suffered it. So sign up on all the exchanges. And yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.